Hello, today I wanted to talk to you about these Ralph Lauren sunglasses, but first I want to give a shout out to the brand who sent them to me in exchange for telling you what I think about them. So I showed these to my sister when they came in and she goes, "Those look like something mom would wear." And I was like, yes, they would. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. Ralph Lauren is just known for very classy, timeless looks, and the fact that this reminded her of something our mom would wear. And then honestly, I would still wear these anyways. I just feel like this is very on trend for something Ralph Lauren. Also, it wasn't necessarily a knock at anyone. My sister loves Ralph Lauren stuff. We were just having a lot of fun with these. But anyways, just to describe them to you. Obviously, they are like a bluish, almost violet color, and the lenses are not super like jet black or anything. They are darker up top and then obviously fade to the bottom. You can probably see there. They fit very snug. They're not too loose or crooked or anything like that. Like they are just like perfection. Anyways, it comes with all kinds of like a whole care kit, if you will. I took it out. This is a cloth to clean it with a lens cleaner, a Ralph Lauren cloth that you can keep with you, a screwdriver to help make sure all the little tiny screws are tight, and it also comes with this little mirror, which is kind of cool. All those little accessories are cool, but the coolest one is, of course, the sunglasses case. I love these. I think they're fantastic. I love them with my eyes, and I think I'm just gonna wear these all the time. Like, I love blue. I don't care what time of year it is, I'm probably gonna wear these. My sister would go, "No, you need to wear those in the spring and summer." I don't care. I'm really trying not to say very demure or mindful, but you know.